Good morning, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about PhonePe's Indus Appstore hits 1 million installs, Fujitsu and AWS launch Modernization Acceleration Initiative, India hosts AI Days 2024 conference in Hyderabad, Sophos named leader in Endpoint security for small businesses, importance of network segmentation in cybersecurity. Apple introduces MM1 for high-performing multimodal language models. Delta Electronics India prioritizes responsible innovation and cybersecurity and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. India's Indus Appstore achieves over 1 million installs within a month of its launch, demonstrating rapid user adoption. The platform witnesses diverse demand across various categories, including finance, games, social, and entertainment. 45% of users comes from Tier 2 cities, showcasing broad appeal beyond major metropolitan areas. Indus Appstore's success in local languages like Hindi and Marathi enhances user engagement and validates the demand for native languages app experiences. Fujitsu and AWS introduce a joint initiative to facilitate fast and secure legacy modernization for customers across industries. The initiative offers assessment, migration, and modernization services for legacy applications running on-premise mainframes and Unix servers. Customers, including those in finance and retail, benefit from modernizing legacy applications on AWS cloud to adapt to changing business conditions. The collaboration combines Fujitsu's system integration expertise with AWS professional services aiming to accelerate digital transformation for organizations. Hyderabad prepares to host AI Days 2024, India's largest AI and machine learning conference on March 30th and 31st. The event attracts over 2,000 IT professionals, researchers, startups, and students, featuring speakers from global companies. Discussions at the conference focus on promoting Hyderabad as the AI capital and addressing governance and policy aspects of AI. Notable features include the launch of a Telugu AI voice assistant and a high-performance distributed supercomputer for running AI ML applications. Sophos earns recognition as a leader in the ID marketscape for worldwide modern endpoint security for small businesses 2024 vendor assessment. The report acknowledges Sophos' commitment to meeting the need of small and mid-sized businesses with innovative products and managed security services. Sophos' endpoint solutions, including Intercept X, defend over 3 lakh organizations worldwide against advanced cyber threats. The company's managed detection and response MDR service combined with engagement with cyber insurance providers enhance cybersecurity resilience. Network segmentation plays a crucial role in proactive cybersecurity strategies, reducing the attack surface and containing breaches. It helps minimize damage, disruption, and recovery time by controlling access and movement of data within the network. Crafting a network segmentation strategy involves identifying asset, understanding communication pattern, implementing access controls, and conducting regular reviews. This strategy mitigates insider threats, ensures network security, and speed up recovery time in case of a breach. Apple unveils MM1, a novel technique for creating high-performing multimodal large-scale language models (MLLM). MM1 combines text and image data to train AI models, achieving state-of-the-art performance across various benchmarks. The technique demonstrates robust in-context learning capabilities and excels in multi-step inference tasks involving multiple input images. CEO Tim Cook confirms significant investment in AI development during a shareholder meeting, signaling Apple's commitment to advancing AI technology. Delta Electronics India emphasizes responsible innovation and cybersecurity in the digital landscape, focusing on AI advancement and data privacy. The company champions robust data privacy resolutions, recognizing personal information as a fundamental human right. Leveraging the synergy between 5G and IoT, Delta Electronics India envisions a future of unparalleled connectivity, convenience, and efficiency. The company actively develops cutting-edge solutions to unlock the immense potential of 5G and IoT while navigating the digital frontier with ethical responsibility. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.
Hello and welcome to the weekly news recap. Here are the top 5 stories from this week. Bill Gates meets PM Modi for AI and global collaboration, focusing on health and climate initiatives. Airtel adopts recycled PVC sieves, cutting plastic and emissions for sustainability. Ola's Bhavish Agarwal launches Kritrim AI and multilingual chatbot, entering the AI landscape. India hits 820 million internet users with growth in OTT and rural contributions. IIT Madras launches platform for startup info, capital access and mentorship democratization.